हेलो गाइस, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं गो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी वाचिंग माय वीडियो देन वेलकम बैक। सो कुछ दिन पहले आई अपलोडेड अ वीडियो इन व्हिच आई डिड अ नायका haul and so here I am with the video. In this video I'm gonna be using all Swiss Beauty products. Let's quickly begin the video and let's see what are my reviews about the products. So I've washed my face, I've already moisturized it. Now I'm gonna be preparing my skin, like I'm gonna be using this primer. This is a Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It brightens skin, modify pores. I'll take 2 pumps and I'll apply on my T-zone as I always do. I don't know how this primer would be. Next step is I'm going to be applying a foundation, and for that I have ordered this Skincare Repair Conceal Moisturize Foundation in the shade 01 White Ivory. So I'm going to be taking 2 to 3 pumps out of it. I can see this is not matching my tone. This is a lighter shade and definitely this will not work on my skin. Application with brush is getting difficult, so I'm gonna be using a beauty blender. This isn't supposed to be applied by a brush, I guess. Anyways, now I'm gonna be using the concealer, and the concealer I ordered, it's in the shade Dark Nude, so I'll apply this as well. I'll use the same beauty blender and I'll dab it on my face. Now I'll pack my face using this loose finishing powder. Okay. No, I can't apply this. Oh my god. So to continue the makeup, I'm gonna be using this eyebrow pencil. And I'm gonna be just moisturizing my lips. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this 32 color eyeshadows. So let's open this. First of all, I'm gonna be contouring my face. Now I'll do some eye makeup. Yeah. Same I'll do on my other eye and I'll get back to you. So I am done with both the eyes. I'm gonna be using same shades and I'm gonna be applying on my waterline. Transition shade. Then the blue shade. So now I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Jet Black liner and I'm gonna be applying it. Now I'm gonna be applying lipstick, and for lipstick I'm gonna be using this All About Lips matte lip palette, this shade. Now it's time to fix, and I already have this fixer. I did not order this one, so I'm gonna be fixing my face with this. I forgot to apply the mascara, and I'm gonna be using this mascara. This is Bold Super Lash Mascara, waterproof. So yes, my beauties, this was the makeup done using the Swiss Beauty product. I'll brief the reviews, my reviews about these makeup products. So one by one, let's begin. First of all, we use this primer and it helped me in like setting a base for my skin and acting as a moisturizing lotion, and also it provided natural shine to my skin. So this one is a good product. You can buy it if you want. Then I'll take the two products together, and these are the foundation and concealer. Both of these are a failed product because these are not in accordance with my skin type. Like this one is a lighter one and this is a darker one, so both of these won't work for me. I can use this one whenever I decide to create a dusky look. I can use this one. But I don't know when I'm going to be using this one. Next we have is this brow pencil, and this is a very good brow pencil. I like this one definitely. I'm going to be keeping it in my makeup kit because its application is so easy. You can see how nicely this pencil worked on my eyebrows. So yeah, this is a must-have product. So economical also. Then we have this. The product I hated the most is this loose powder. This is, so I'm not liking this one. Its application is very bad. You guys have seen when I tried to apply it, it just stuck to my face, and when I tried to remove it with a brush, it was still there. So not a good product for me. Then we have this lip palette, and it is a very good palette. It has 10 shades, each different shade, and its application is also easy. Yeah, I have tried this before. I have tried this one shade before, and it is long lasting as well. Then we have this eyeshadow palette. See, it has a huge mirror in here and these 32 shades. The only problem with this palette is that if you apply 2 shades or 3 shades, then blending would be difficult. Next we have is the last, no, I haven't used this golden liner, and I know definitely this is gonna be a good glimmer eye pencil. Yeah. Then we have this mascara. See, definitely this mascara is a good mascara, but the mascaras I use are far better than this one because of its applicability and its durability. Then we have this pencil liner, eyeliner. See, I'll show you its application on my hand. And I'll smudge it, and you can see, yeah, see. Certainly it's a waterproof eyeliner, but you can see that, so I'm not liking this one. Then we have this makeup fixer. This is the best product Swiss Beauty has ever offered, I guess. Its performance is so nice. It fixes my makeup so well. And I have been using this for like a couple of years, and this one is my favorite till now. So guys, in this video I am giving my opinion, I am giving my reviews about these products. If these products are not working on my skin, this doesn't mean that these won't work on your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment box your reviews about this video. Yeah, see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.